for you to go commercial now, we are talking of you want to start making money. You want to start getting alerts all the time. Daily credit alerts where money comes to your account every day. Rabbit farming can guarantee you that. Now, this is the poo collector. When they poo, it drops down, it comes. You can see the poo. It comes out in a very dry form. You remove this poo, you bag it immediately. There is a mesh that holds the poo while the urine drops down.
Wow.
When it drops, this is a gutter. It runs like this, you know. Come. You see where it empties. So on the 27th day, you introduce this boss. Rabbitry starts from housing. Once you get the housing right, you get every other thing right.
Okay, sir, let's talk about housing.
Okay.
Because I mentioned that Phoenix Rabbit Farm is an all-in-one hub for rabbit, anything rabbit, from pellets to housing. Today we are looking at housing, and if you can see, we have different types of crates or houses here, and he will be giving us more info about them. Sir, can you take us through this?
Okay, for the housing, basically, when I needed to build my first rabbit hutch, I brought someone from Lagos. When you check the transportation and everything, it was huge. So while he was working, I studied what he was doing. I was just standing up there, watching what he was doing. So when he left, when we begin to improve and we decided to go to commercial into rabbitry, we begin to produce our housing. And just as I told you, rabbitry starts from housing. Once you get the housing right, you get every other thing right. Now, this is the cage. This we call it rabbit mesh, or 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch. This is what you must use on the bedding. You see it. We have a lot of bundle of it in the store behind there. You get it. This is what you put for the floor, so that this hole is 1/2 inch by 1 inch. It's small that the rabbit poo can go through it. At the same time, the rabbit leg cannot pass through it. Even the small winners and growers, their leg cannot pass through it.
Wow.
But their poo can go through it. And their urine can go through it without damaging it. This is a galvanized metal. So this is what we use for the bedding. Then we now go to the normal cages. You understand? Yeah. So this is a normal rabbit cage. Now, for a starter, there is a project we did with the local government. This is what we built for them to empower youths. You can see the housing. Now, you are looking at this. This is a rodent proof. They say there are so many rats there. So we did it so that rats, cockroach, nothing can enter inside there. We use the 1/2 inch to do it round. Now, see, this is for the water. This is the door. You see the door? This is the water.
And you also manufactured?
Yes, we manufacture this. This is for the water. You do it, you close the door. This is for the pellet. This is for the urine. This is for the urine and the poo collector. You see, this is what collects the urine and poo. So all you do, you remove it, pour it outside, bring it back. So this cage can be in the sitting room. It can be outside. It can be in your balcony. This is the same. This is a 1-room cage. You can see. This is the poo collector. When the rabbit poos, you feel you want to empty it, you take it, pour in your flower bed, bring it back, and you put it here. This is for the feeder. You see? Now, this drinker is meant for this cage. See the drinker. So you remove the what you keep. So if you look, this is a foreign cage. This cage now, to get it in the market is about 80,000 to 90,000 naira.
Yeah.
Exactly this cage. But this cage will sell it for as cheap as 35,000. We have smaller ones that will sell for 30,000. But see now, this is the foreign
Same
cage
system.
This is the urine collector. So at times, some people prefer these foreign cages. When you buy it, you bring it to us. We will help you attach this feeder. You can see this is a feeder. We attach it here now. Then we'll sell this drinker for you.
Wow.
Which you can use to do this thing. So for the housing of the rabbit is quite easy.
Okay, sir. Looking at this, this is a feeder.
Yes.
And this is a feeder.
Yes.
Now, why do we have the cement around this, and why do we have this one just attached here?
Okay. You see, basically now, rabbits, just as their name are rabbits, they eat all the time. If you use anything that is not cemented, they will eat it off. If you use ordinary plastic, they will eat it. Apart from eating it, they pour the water. So you keep bringing water. And just as I told you before, rabbits feed them in the morning and go till the next day. Ma. So for them not to pour the water, we use this cement while making this thing. So that when they step on it, it will not fall.
Yeah.
It gives it stability, it gives it durability.
Yeah.
You can use this for 10 years. Nothing goes wrong with it.
Just wash after.
Yes. Then why we use this feeder? You can see this is a thick aluminium. They will not be able to eat it. Nothing will happen to it. Rain will. It's aluminium. So most things we use are aluminium. They don't spoil. They don't rust.
Yeah.
They remain the way. That's why even this urine collector, poo collector, they are still aluminium. So they don't rust. That is the brain behind this.
Wow. So the last one we talked about was for just smaller cats, 1, 2.
Yeah.
So what about this housing system?
Okay. So now for you to go commercial now, we are talking of you want to start making money. You want to start getting alerts all the time. Daily credit alerts where money comes to your account every day. Rabbit farming can guarantee you that. Because now to make this type of housing is quite cheap too. As you can see, the flooring is very important. This is the half by half inch rabbit mesh. This enables the rabbit, the poo-poo to go out, the urine to go out. So, and it also simplifies the rabbit farm. This cage now can take up to 120 rabbits, depending on their ages. This is a 36 rooms rabbit hutch. You can make it 10 rooms, you can make it 8 rooms, you can make it 20, you can make 24, depending on your capacity. But for this contest, let's work with these 36 rooms. You can see here we have 3 rabbits, here we have 3, here we have 4, 3. So this place can take matured 4, if 4 rabbits are in each room, 4 for matured rabbits. You can see it's 36 times 4. It can take over 100 and something rabbits. Now let's go to the housing. Now this type of farm, one person can manage it because of the type of housing we are doing. Now this is the poo collector. When the poo, it drops down, it comes. You can see the poo. It comes out in a very dry form. When we want to clean, we remove this poo, pour it on the ground. Maybe you drop a bag. Yeah. You bag it immediately. There is nothing you do. This is the poo collector. Now, when you urinate and poo, the urine drops on this zinc.
So there is a mesh here.
There is a mesh that holds the poo while the urine drops down.
Wow.
When it drops, this is a gutter. It runs like this, you know. Come. You see where it empties. From here, we empty it inside this drum.
Wow.
Now, that is for the urine and poo-poo. Now, for water, just as I told you, water must be 24 hours in the rabbit place. So, you can see this is the water tank. As it comes from the tank, it goes like this. You can see the nipple drinker. Every room. So once the rabbit touches it, water comes out. Once the rabbit touches it, water comes out. They drink from here. And that's how the water goes round. So instead of going round to wash those plates I earlier introduced, imagine having 36 plates here. It will require you to have more workers. You wash each plate every morning, refill water. No. What you do now, just fill your tank. The water goes round the nipple. Everybody have their water. And mind you, this cage is also space consuming. It's a double room cage. This is from number 1 to number 18. So if you come this way, you can see. You can see again. This is another room. So it's a double room cage. You can see it's a double room cage.
Yeah.
You still have your rabbits. You understand? And you can see the space we are using. This cage is just 4 feet. You can see I even cover more. I can cover more. So from here to the wall is 6 feet. So with just having 6 feet space by 12 feet, You can keep over 100 rabbits. And that is why you can see now, we are not taking much space. You can see, this is how we position our hutches around there. And it's to the wall. So all you need to do is to put up this. This take less than half bundle of zinc just to cover it. Because rabbits need ventilation. You can see they need ventilation. They don't like hot weather. So you just leave them outside. Now this is a nestling box. You know, this is a nestling box. This is 1 feet by 6 inches. That is 1 foot by 1 foot. You can do it. So this is what you put for your rabbit to litter inside. So rabbit require record keeping. Once the housing is right, the next thing you put in mind is the recording. Then before you talk of feeding and other things. So this box, once you are building we are building your rabbit house, we must make these boxes for you. We make at least 18 of these boxes.
Wow.
So these boxes now, you can see, this is another type of mesh we use. It's smaller than this, but it's also made of galvanized iron.
Wow.
So this is what you put inside the rabbit house. And mind you, once a rabbit is pregnant, you keep only her in one room.
Mm.
Her gestation period is 28 to 32 days, normally 30 days. So on the 27th day, you introduce this box. Once you introduce this box, the rabbit goes around and saw, okay, this box is a square place. She feels comfortable inside. She pulls her fur and she litters here. So that is it. So this is it about the housing.
Wow. Thank you very much for this tip.